Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on Redhat Enterprise Linux 10 version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See, at the time of installation, the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. Click on download, then click on Linux. Then select Redhat, RHEL or Alma Linux. See here, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, RHEL Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay. Then select the version. See here we have the version from 13 to 17. Select the version. Then select the platform. See here we have the RHEL 10. Select it. Then we have to select the architecture. Okay, so select x86-64. Okay, now once we select all these options, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, copy these commands one by one. So open terminal, copy these commands one by one and execute. So first it is going to install the RPM repository. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control L. Now, if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules, we have to disable. So, copy this one and paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Control L. Now, install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. If you want to install 16, give 16. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server 17.5. Okay, type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Again type Y and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL-17. See, it is not started and enabled. Before starting and enabling, we have to initialize the database. Copy this command, paste it, hit enter. Installation is completed. Now enable and start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL-17. Hit enter. Also enable it. We have successfully enabled. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running and it is enabled. Okay, you to quit Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. This is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So verify the version of the PostgreSQL server. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Redhat. Okay, so Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of the users that comes with PostgreSQL installation. See, we have only one user which have the super user privileges. So set the password for this user. Alter user, then username with password. Provide password in single or double quotes. Then hit enter. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for PostgreSQL server. Now we will see how to create database. Before that, verify list of databases /l. See, these are the databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Now you can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. It is typo. See, we got the same list. Even if you want to get the list of the users, run pg_username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Okay, Control L. Now create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Okay, /L plus, then give the name of the database to get the full information. See, this is the name, owner, encoding information, library, locally provided information, collation settings, size and table space information. Okay, Control A. Now switch to this new database by using /C or /connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now create a table. Before that, verify list of tables /dt. See, we don't have any tables. Okay, let us create a table. Create table. Now verify. See, we have created table in public schema and this is the owner. Okay, so insert some data into this table. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create a user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify again. /tu or select username from pg_user. See, we have the new user, David. Okay. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to quit. Okay, now type PSQL-h localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC. H means host name. If it is installed on remote PC, you have to give that remote host IP address or host name. Then -d, provide the name of the database. Then -u means user. Then provide the new username. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user is the command. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database and objects of bank. So run the command /c, then give the bank. See, we have successfully connected. Now try to access the data. Try to run the query against the table that we have created. Select star from customer. See, permission denied for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on RHEL 10. We can't start or restart with Postgres user. So exit from this user. Now run the commands sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. We have to give the version. Then hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is started and running. If you took it, Control L. Now stop it, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. If you give PostgreSQL without version, see, we will get the fail to stop the PostgreSQL because in it is not found, not loaded. Okay, so we have to give the version number. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, we have stopped it 2 seconds ago. We took it, Control A. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. So see, as I told you, we cannot start or restart PostgreSQL server with this Postgres user. That's why it is asking password. Control C. So exit from this Postgres user. Now run sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. I forgot to give 17. Now verify the status. See, we have started PostgreSQL service 3 seconds ago. We took it Control L. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. We have successfully restarted. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbeaver on RHEL. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 version on RHEL 10. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.